How to fix the camera is not working on your Dell laptop. So if your webcam is not turning on or it's just not working, then I'll show you a few ways on how to go in and fix this issue. Now the first thing you'll need to do is come over to your Start menu. You can then search for Settings and click on the Settings window. Now from the left hand side, click on Privacy and Security. You can then scroll down the page and click on Camera. Now make sure the camera access is turned on like this. Also make sure Let Apps Access Your Camera is turned on. And you may also need to switch on the access for the particular app that you're trying to use. So for example, I could go and toggle on Microsoft Teams like this. Now also make sure Let Desktop Apps Access Your Camera is switched on. And once you've done this, check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, open up your Start menu again. Search for Device Manager and click on this window. Now click on the drop down arrow next to Cameras and you should be able to see your webcam from this list. Now just go and right click on it and press Update Driver, press Browse My Computer for Drivers, and press Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers. You could then select your device from the list and go and press Next. Once you've done this, open up your Start menu again. Now go and search for the app Camera and go and load it up from here. You could then check to see if you can see your camera. Now if you're getting this message that says your camera might be covered, then on some Dell laptops you actually have a privacy shutter that you need to go and slide to either the left or the right. This will then go and reveal your camera and enable and turn on the device. And once you've done this, you can begin using your webcam.